program is a great opportunity for the students. It allows them to build their English skills and allows them to grow leadership potential, self-esteem, team building. They meet students from around the city they wouldn't necessarily engage with otherwise. I'm really hoping the State Department decides to continue funding the Access program. It's also great exposure for the students to American culture, and they can see kind of what it means to be an American and the ideals that our country's been founded on instead of maybe just what they see in the news. So let's go Access.
In Access program, we got a lot of fun than we expected, and we got a lot of information.
This program helped me a lot. I got a lot of benefit from it.
Made my English more and more better.
And the skill that I got from Access program is to talk in English in a confident way.
And Access have been a great experience for me so far.
They worked really, really hard, and it was just an incredible pleasure to be a part of the process, from taking them to the research stage to the final presentation stage. They were awesome.
What I really enjoyed about this program is the fact that students got to step out of their comfort zone and really reach out to one another, to learn team building experiences, as well as to just know who they are and to select a better future.